Hello friends, today we are going to draw a mandala design, or you can use it as a Rangoli also for the Diwali. You can use the ring of any tape for drawing the circles. We will draw two circles, one outside and one inside. Now we will draw another circle which will touch the previous circle from the outside. The outside of the tape should touch the outside of the circle as shown. Now we will draw 5 more circles and each circle should touch the other 2 circles from the outside. Always draw with pencil first and then before coloring erase the pencil marks. Now we will draw small petals in all the circles as shown. Now we will draw a border line around the circles. Draw part by part. The distance between the lines should be equal. I am coloring with brush pens. You can also use pencil colors or pastel colors or sketch pens, any medium of your choice. Here I am coloring with dark brown color, but it was not looking good. So you can color with pink or any light color. But lines in the petals should be done with a dark color only, like brown or black. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.